Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a look at a compact but mighty handheld vacuum cleaner that promises a lot for its size. The Handheld Car Vacuum Portable Cordless 25,000 PA high-power mini hand vacuum cleaner is a versatile little tool designed for cleaning your car, office, or even your desktop. It's loaded with features that might make it the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This vacuum offers an impressive 25,000 PA of suction power, courtesy of its high-speed brushless motor. Now, if you're unfamiliar with PA, that's pascals, a unit of pressure that directly correlates with suction strength. In simpler terms, this means that this vacuum is engineered to capture dirt, dust, and pet hair. Yes, even the most stubborn bits that get stuck deep in carpets, upholstery, and car seats. The kind of debris that can make regular vacuums struggle, this one should handle it with ease. On top of that, the vacuum comes equipped with an 8,000 mAh battery that provides up to 40 minutes of runtime on eco mode. That's pretty solid for a handheld vacuum. A good 30 minutes of cleaning, whether it's dusting off your desktop or picking up crumbs in your car, feels more than enough for most small cleaning sessions. It's worth mentioning that the runtime will drop a bit if you're working on higher power modes, but for light cleaning, it holds up well. A standout feature here is the hygienic one-touch dust disposal. If you've ever had to deal with messy vacuum bags or bins, you'll appreciate how simple it is to empty this vacuum. Just press a button and the dust and debris are released without you ever needing to touch the mess. It's all about keeping things clean, both in your home and when you're maintaining the vacuum itself. But this vacuum isn't just for picking up dirt. It's a 4-in-1 tool, offering vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and deflating capabilities. Whether you need to inflate an air mattress, deflate a pool toy, or blow away some debris from your car, this vacuum has you covered. That added versatility makes it feel like you're getting more for your money, especially when compared to other vacuums that only do one thing. What about handling, maneuverability, and comfort? The vacuum is designed to be compact and cordless, which makes it super easy to carry around. It fits neatly in your car for quick cleaning on the go and can be stored in tight spaces, like drawers or cabinets at home or in the office. It charges via USB-C, meaning you'll get fast, convenient charging, no matter where you are. The indicator light keeps you updated on the charging status, turning red when it's charging and green once it's full. So you're always in the know about how much juice is left for your next cleaning session. Now, let's talk about real-world testing. When using it on fine dust, crumbs, and pet hair, this vacuum does an impressive job, especially in tight spaces like between your car seats or along the edges of your desk. The 25,000 PA suction is more than enough to grab those smaller particles that can sometimes be tricky for regular vacuums. However, on thicker carpets, it does struggle a bit when the suction power has to work harder. But for hard floors, furniture, and light carpet cleaning, it's effective and efficient. The attachments that come with the vacuum help it shine in those specific situations. Using the blowing function is perfect for removing dust or debris from hard-to-reach areas. And the inflation-deflation feature, though not something most people use daily, is a handy bonus for inflating sports equipment or other air-filled objects. In terms of ergonomics, it's easy to handle. It doesn't feel too heavy, even during extended cleaning sessions. There is, however, a slight concern when it comes to extended use on tougher tasks. The nozzle can be a little awkward to handle on certain angles when you're cleaning low down or under furniture, but generally, it's a compact, comfortable tool to use. As for noise, it's relatively quiet for a vacuum, but when on full power, it's not entirely silent. It's certainly less disruptive than larger vacuums, making it a good choice for cleaning around the house without disturbing others. Of course, no product is perfect. While the 4-in-1 functionality is fantastic, you do sacrifice some specialized power in certain areas. For example, it doesn't have the heavy-duty suction of a full-sized corded vacuum, and it's not ideal for cleaning deep pile carpets. Also, with the battery life being limited to around 40 minutes in eco mode, it may not be ideal for those who need a longer, uninterrupted cleaning session. Considering its performance and versatility, the price seems reasonable for what you're getting. You're not just buying a vacuum, you're getting a tool that can handle multiple tasks, from quick cleanup to air inflation. It's a solid option for those who want something portable and multifunctional for light-duty jobs. If we're comparing this to other vacuums in the same category, there are a few things to consider. A similar model in this price range might be the Dyson Micro 1.5 kilograms, which also offers impressive suction power and versatility, though it comes at a higher price point. While the Dyson might excel in pure suction power, the handheld car vacuum has a notable edge in its added functionality, like the inflation and deflation features. Another alternative could be the Black Decker Dust Bus Buster series, which offers good suction and a reliable battery life, but doesn't pack the same range of functions. Looking at the build quality, the vacuum feels solid. The plastics are durable, and it's designed to last through plenty of use without showing signs of wear too quickly. The dustbin is easy to clean, and maintaining the brushless motor seems straightforward. Nothing too complex here. It's clear this vacuum is built for convenience and easy upkeep. If you're worried about longevity, the high-quality materials and brand reputation inspire confidence. Though we haven't yet seen long-term data on this particular model, brands like this are known for durability. It's safe to assume that with regular maintenance, it should stand the test of time, especially with the well-designed features and easy-to-clean components. Customer support? I didn't have any issues directly reaching out, but if you're ever in need of help, many vacuums from well-established brands tend to offer solid customer service, so you can likely expect prompt support if any issues arise. Overall, the Handheld Car Vacuum Portable Cordless 25,000 PA high-power mini hand vacuum cleaner is a solid, all-around option for anyone in need of a compact, powerful vacuum that offers more than just suction. It's perfect for those who need a lightweight vacuum that can handle quick, everyday messes, as well as occasional tasks like inflating or blowing away debris. If you're looking for something that can clean your car, your desktop, and small areas of your home with ease, this could be your new go-to. If you've been on the hunt for a versatile handheld vacuum that combines power, portability, and extra functions, this one definitely deserves your consideration. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next in-depth review. Got any questions or experiences with this vacuum? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your spaces clean and your tools smarter.